Hello children, in today's class we will discuss the next exercise, and that is your talk time. So in talk time you will talk about these things which are mentioned here. So first one is, imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. So children, you have to imagine yourself as a little fish who is in sea, swimming in the sea. So what all do you see around you? So you might be seeing sea animals, then plants, then many other things. So just prepare yourself and talk about it. Then record your voice, record what you speak and send it to me. The next one is, in your class, talk about the time you were caught doing something you were not supposed to do. You can discuss in your own language as well as in English. So there are so many things which normally children get caught doing, which they are not supposed to do in the class. First one is talking. Second one, they play. Third one, they eat something. And the fourth one, they exchange few things, either pen or their ruler or eraser or book. And at times what I've seen is, when they are asked to show their work completed in the notebook, that is the time then they share each other's notebooks as well. So there are so many things which you do in your class which you're not supposed to do. And if other than these mentioned, what I mentioned here, if any other things are there which you think these are there, then you can mention these things. So these are two situations, children. One is that imagine yourself as a little fish, and the second one is few things which you got caught doing in your class. So you can discuss it in English, the second one, or in your own language. But first one, that you're a little fish, describe what you might see around you, that you're supposed to be talking in English. Now the next one is word building. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Look, looked, pick. Now what it will be? Here I am writing it for you. It might be erased after some time, but yes, for some time it will be here. It is picked. It is past tense. Bark, barked. Want, wanted. Children, these are past tenses, and when these are further used, then we use them in past participle also. When verbs are used this way, these are known as past participles. But here these are the past tenses. Look, looked. Dekha, dekhna. That means look is dekhna and looked is dekha. Pick, lena, picked, liya. Bark, bhonkna, barked, bhonka, bhonka. Want, chahna, wanted, chaha. Same way, talk, talked, wish, wished, pull, pulled, help, helped. So means you have to add ed in the end of these words, and then you'll be changing these words into past tense, past participle. And then you can construct simple past tense with the help of this. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. A glass of, what it will be? A glass of water. A box of, what it can be? A box of paper, or a sheet of paper rather. Then we'll see what is this. A bunch of flowers. A herd of cows. A pack of wolves. Always remember children, wolves का pack होता है. A pack of wolves. And a box of matches. What you call matchsticks. Now again, let's write. Look at the following sentence. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. अगर मैं बड़ा होता या होती तो मैं कितना खुश होता. So now these are imaginary sentences in which you wish something, you want something. So make more sentences like this using the words in the box. Taller. If I were only, now what would be here? If I were only taller, how much happier I could be. If I were only thinner, how much happier I could be. Now next one, you can make it very easily. This one I'll do it for you, and then this one I'll do for you, and then next one, the next one, verse 4, 5, 6, you'll do on your own. If I was smaller, how much happier I could be. How much happier I could be. So children, do you still think that there should be a change in your appearance so that you'll be happy? I think after reading the story, this thought would have flighted away from your mind, because God has made us in a certain way for some reason. So we should be happy and we must respect that. So these 4, 5, 6 sentences using this cleverer, younger, older, this you will use in your own sentence. You'll make it and then you'll write down in this given space. The next is say aloud. And when I say aloud, that means you are also supposed to say it aloud at your home when you practice it. Blunder, wonder, thunder, plunder, flounder. Now you just say it aloud. Now blunder, what is blunder? Blunder is a big mistake, a very big mistake. Wonder, when you are surprised. Something चमत्कार जिसे हम कहते हैं, so that is a wonder. Thunder, तूफान. Plunder, लूटपाट. So these are few words जिनको आपको बहुत जोर जोर से बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. And remember, this is not wonder, this is wonder. Wonder, blunder, wonder, thunder, plunder and flounder. The next is your song time. Singing or crying. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying. I am singing an English song. So here crying means chillana. So what is happening? Mahesh sings a little song. Mahesh एक छोटा गाना गा रहा है और वेंकटेश उसको देखता है. और उसके बाद वो उससे महेश से पूछता है कि तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो. महेश कहता है कि मैं चिल्ला नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं तो एक इंग्लिश का गाना गा रहा हूँ. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? that either that Mahesh was singing was very out of sync, he didn't know how to sing, or his friend Venkatesh didn't understand a word of English. या फिर both of these things. Chalo, let's choose the right word and fill in these blanks. Mahesh sings a little song. So children, here we are telling the speciality of the song. कैसा song है वो? Long है या little है? The song is little. तो जब कोई भी किसी चीज़ की क्वालिटी बताता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Describing word, and these are called adjectives. क्या बोलते हैं हम इन्हें फिर? Adjectives. Up now here this little tells the quality of the song कि क्या है, कैसा है वो song? छोटा song है. So this is an adjective. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is, what Venkatesh think? Venkatesh thinks that Mahesh is crying. Mahesh is, now what? He's saying or singing? We always sing a song. We never say a song. So correct word will be singing. The song is it in Telugu or is it in English? The song is in English. So here from this poem, from these lines, you can select your answers and you can fill it in here. So this is for you today, children. Do it nicely in your notebook, and don't forget whatever is there to say aloud, you will say it aloud. Practice it. It will make you more amicable for English language. And whenever these exercises are given where you have to make certain sentences, you will do that. So you do that in your notebook and then post your work in the homework. Thank you.